Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end. Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and before we jump into our Indian markets, let's touch base to what's happened globally. The US and Asian markets witnessed mixed bag following disappointing private sector US hiring data to 3.5 years low. But above expected service PMI data will be positive on oil marketing, jewelry, FMCG and pharma stocks. To start with our first segment for Friday, 6th of September 2024, Nifty index opened positive at 25,250, and while it went on 25 points above the save, it slipped for the rest part of the day and dropped by 150 points. Some sort of profit booking was seen, but it respected its previous day's lower levels. It formed a bearish candle on the daily frame and closed near its day's low. Now, India VIX was down by around 1.2% to 14.2 levels. Nifty put call ratio increased to 1.33 due to the expiry volatility. Now, India VIX has been hovering in a narrow band at its lower zones, which is paving way for the bulls at the declines. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 24,600 to 25,500, while immediate range is in between 24,900 to 25,300. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 689 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 2,971 crores. FII's index long-short ratio marginally decreased to 68.1%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to continue to hold above 25,150 for an up move towards 25,350, then 25,500, while supports can be seen at 25,100, then 25,000 levels. Bank Nifty has to continue to hold above 51,250 for an up move towards 51,750, which is a hurdle zone, then 52,000 levels, while support can be seen at 51,000 zone. Now, Bank Nifty remains sticky, but conviction is more in Nifty. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive stance was seen in banking, IT, metal and mining, and some of the pharma names. Now, positive stance can be seen in a mixed bag across board, which includes PVR, Inox, Syngene, Bosch, Chola Finance, Laurus Lab, Gujarat Gas, IOC, and Titan. While some weakness can be seen in BHEL, Dixon, Cipla, HEL, Polycab, and Havells. Wish you a super trading day and a lovely weekend ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice. Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.